had three options today. A very big range of trucks, actually. I don't know what's going on. But looks like they're bringing in new trucks. So I had two Mercs in the yard, one pretty fast, one really slow. I had a brand new DAF, not the new model, just the old cab, but it's a new one. And this MAN. Surprisingly, I went with the MAN. Now let me explain why. Because I don't know why, but I think I'm beginning to like it. Thing is, I would have gone with the DAF any day of the week. I would have chosen the DAF, especially a brand new truck. Why not? But the thing is, yesterday a buddy of mine drove it, and it's limited to 85 kilometers an hour. Now, because we're going to Scotland today, that will mean that I will extend my day with another almost 2 hours, because I had to take breaks on the way there, tip there, and then on my way back take another break, because you just won't have enough time. In a normal day, we do this run in 4 hours and 15 minutes, flat out at 90 kilometers an hour. With the truck that's set to 85 kilometers an hour, you will be short of 20 kilometers. That's roughly around 20 minutes. So you will need a break. Especially that DAFs are known, like when they see a hill, they're like really slow. So that's why I choose the MAN today. But hey, look at this gigantic and unnecessary windscreen or windshield. What's the term in the UK? I think one it's American and one it's from England. Windshield or windscreen, I don't know. Correct me in the comments. But yeah, huge. I think you have a nice view, don't you? I'm just guessing, because usually, you know, with the Mercs, the windscreen is very low. You don't see too much, but on this one, wow, look at that view. I mean, it's so unnecessary. I don't know why they made it so huge. I think the truck I was driving last week had the smaller cab, because it didn't have these windows right here, and I think that was lower. This one is one of the high cabs. Yeah, we got a microwave up there. I'm now coming at Gadbrook to pick up my own load. So it's gonna be a long day, because I will have to take a break on my way there. I won't make it in one go. Where we're going. Just gonna pop it to a bay. I'll pop it right here, bay 4. This one behind me, it's empty. A little bit short of the bay, like around 2 meters. I think that's how they do it around here. And try and find a piece of paper and write on it empty, because it's empty, so the shunters will know this is an empty trailer. Right, I'm gonna do all that and come back at you. I won't gonna film it because it's just an easy drop and swap. The thing about these trailers is that We don't have the motor of the fridge right here, so we won't buzz in our head because it's somewhere over there. I don't know why it feels very light, this trailer. Very, very light. Don't think I can open it. Usually they are locked. Ah, there we go. Oh, it's full. It's fine. There we go. All right. I'll do the light check. I've already checked the tires. I think there's a button on the man somewhere over here. Light test. Does it do anything? No. I don't know. Let's just do it the old-fashioned way. Probably if I'll press OK. Light test abort. I don't know. We have lights. And got half a tank of fuel. Got lights, got lights, got lights. It's fine. All good. Seems good. Right, let's get out of here. Brand new tires as well. You should be fast with these tires, but I have to take a break anyway because I won't have enough time. It is what it is. Sunday today. Started my shift 8 o'clock, which means that won't be home too early today. Probably my shift is going to be probably around 11 hours, just because I have to take another break. Central. Gonna park up. Go see them in the office. Got two options now. Either I'm dropping and swapping, or I'm waiting to tip. For me, basically, it's almost the same thing. I have to take the break anyway, so. And usually they are really quick on tipping these single trailers. I'm gonna go in, see what they say. Well, it's the second consecutive day that I'm driving this truck up to Scotland, and I gotta tell you, I'm starting to like it. I mean, out on the open road, it's quiet, it's comfortable, the seat has got the right position, just the right ride height and everything. It's pretty powerful because today we're pulling a double-decker fridge. It's not fully loaded, but it's pretty heavy. But I'm telling you, this thing's going up the hills. I mean, it's really pulling well. I'm not sure if it's the 500 this one, or it's something else. Doesn't say anything on the sides, but I would just assume that it's the 500, because other ones we have in the yard are 500. So yeah, pulls really well. I've got an annoying screeching somewhere. I'm not sure if it's the fridge, if it's a mirror or something, but sometimes, like now for example, it just shuts up. Anyway, you can hear it probably. I would say it's the fridge, I'm not sure. But I don't know. I honestly starting to like it. Of course, there still are the annoying things like the eco roll. I've managed to. There is a button somewhere over here that you can set how you can set the eco roll. How soon it will cut the power just before the top of the hill. But for some reason, when it starts rolling back down the hill, keeps braking at 90 kilometers an hour. I'm not sure, but it's easy. I'll just deactivate the cruise control, let it roll for like until 95 kilometers an hour, and then just keep it around there. And one more thing, look at that useless big windshield. How big is it? And now, because the sun is out, you will have this probably wonderful view. I'm hoping you can have a feeling of the bright blue sky and all that. Of course, you will need sunglasses if it's too sunny out, but probably a good truck to do videos. Why not? Because this windscreen is so huge. But other than that, yeah, I'm starting to like it. Like I said, we're going to Scotland once again. Same place as yesterday. Only difference is pulling a double decker now, and look at this nice weather. I mean, I couldn't wait to start the camera to have it rolling, to be honest, because when it's dark and gloomy, you know, even the quality of the video, it's just not the same. Come on, mate, you gonna let me in or what? Come on. Here we go. Just brings in my opinion, it's just more watchable, you know, when the sun is out, when you got the blue sky, when you can see the green and everything. It just more pleasing to the eye, isn't it? Like I've said, through this huge windshield, probably it will be a bit nicer. Wow, that's a nice camper van. Wow, that was nice. So many camper vans going towards Scotland. This week, my kid as well has got the half-term break, so the kids are off school, and yeah, so many camper vans are going towards Scotland. And I'm starting to plan my my holiday during the Easter. I'm thinking about going to Scotland. I've got the van almost ready to go. I still have to do one more thing and be ready to roll. But the only thing, and this is where probably you can help me, guys, because I'm not too sure if in April it's not too cold to go to Scotland. I mean, I don't get me wrong, I'm not worrying about the cold during the night, you know, because I've got the night heater. It's going. It's pretty powerful. Won't have any problems during the night. But you know, like just during the day, is it too cold to go out for walks, or should I go during the summer? I don't know. But I've got these 2 weeks. I got nothing planned, and I'm really considering going to Scotland, especially that I've read, you know, so many articles, and I've watched other vloggers going to Scotland, that during the summer the midgets are the biggest problem. You will just get violated by them, and I'm not sure if the midgets are out during April. I had a puncture when I went to Scotland. I went to Scotland with my wife. Only stayed for, I don't know, 2 or 3 days up in the Highlands, and I had a flat tire. And by the time I finished changing the tire, I was all covered in those midgets. They got in the car everywhere. Horrible little things. And from what I understand, there's no repellent for them. So there's nothing you can apply on your skin or whatever to keep them away. They just get everywhere. Horrible little creatures. But yeah, let me know down in the comments if April it's a good time to go up in the Highlands, especially in 2 weeks. You know, I think I can definitely see a lot of Scotland, because like I've said, I've only been up, I don't remember, 3 or 4 days. But definitely, I think 2 weeks will be enough for me to do the North Coast 500. It's like what, not even 1,000 kilometers. If I'll do, once I get there, right, I've got 2 weeks to do the whole NC 500. Just drive for, I don't know, 60 miles a day. Just hop to all kinds of nice places. I can't wait to do that. But yeah, let me know if April it's a good time to do that. Four hours and 20 minutes. Pretty slow, even though we are not that loaded. Probably not going 56 miles an hour. Probably a bit slow because of the tires or something. I don't know. It's still not bad. Alright, let's tip this. I was scrolling through the menu trying to figure out what's the fuel consumption on this, but it doesn't show anything. It just says tour consumption ... blank. I don't know. I don't know if it's embarrassed by how much much fuel it uses or what. Because I'll tell you what, it really pulls really nice up the hill. I was speaking to the other guys as well, and loaded, empty, I mean, fuck's sake, they really pull well. But it doesn't say what's the average MPG. Right, gonna go fuel up this bad boy. Wow, I'm calling the man a bad boy. Wow, really started to like it. I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad, but yeah, I think that was me, guys. Thanks for watching. I shall see you next time. Bye.